Done. Oh, there we go. Can you hear me now? Maybe, hopefully. Well, I guess last night's stream really fucking sucked then because nobody could hear me. Oh, that's terrible.
Wish somebody would have said something.
It's all good. I don't think anybody viewed the stream at all last night. No one cares about us playing. All right, sorry about that. Now that we got that all fixed up. Yeah, so I'm working on the task step first, which is here. We found it. The problem, I'm pretty sure, is just the min Z and the max Z. I'm sure the max Z is fine, but we need to lower this down.
So I went in there yesterday and I got the chords, and
I'm just going to lower this to 30 and it'll be fine, I'm sure.
Yeah, well, 32 was where I was standing just outside the cave. Right. So 30 should do it.
All right. Well, so that's done. Boom. Okay, moving on. All right, I'm standing here in front of the test man. He's our handy dandy test guy we use for pretty much everything. So this is the proc store and how it's gonna sort of work. I deleted all my globals, I'm pretty sure. Let's just double check, make sure. It's gonna be CA proc. Oh. Oh, okay, that's just telling me I can unlock something. That's fine. All right, hold on. Let me close this down. I mean, I could have changed the goal there as well. I'll show you that one quick as well. So where is it? Goal list?
No.
No, it's not goal list?
It's not goal list. It's done a little bit different. So it's actually in proximities over here.
Oh, you're right. Yeah.
So it'd be 59 there, and you just drop it.
Right. So it'd be this one here.
Explore ID 59.
Yeah, and see it's 30.5 on the min Z now, so that just proves it worked. Right. Okay, so we don't need that. Okay, let's go through the proc store. All right, so when you hail the guy, he'll say, would you like to view the skill tree? That'll probably change to something more appropriate. Give a brief explanation or whatever, but for now, since I'm just testing and whatever, that's good enough and worked for me. So you click the skill tree, and then you'll be able to choose a category. So, okay, let's say I want to learn some healing proc. So, okay, I got to unlock healing. So I got to give him $1 million. No problem. There you go, bud. Okay, now I've unlocked healing. Now at this point, as a player, you would have to wait a day and then come back. So let's just pretend a day has passed. So, okay, now, well, you would hail him again because it's another day. Okay, you say, hey, healing, and okay, I want to learn some direct heal. So again, you pay him $1 million because he likes to eat your money. And now I've unlocked direct healing 1. So when I hail him again, I say skill tree, I say healing. Now you can see direct heal is rank 1. And then just for giggles, let's do heal over time. If only it was that easy for players to make money, right? All right, so healing, now you can see heal over time is rank 1. And then, of course, you can continue to rank them up. Oops, I did not mean to click that button. That's fine, though. Doesn't matter. Now healing's rank 2, so healing rank 2. And so on and so forth. So that's sort of how that works. So I'm going to say direct damage. Okay, I'm going to learn some direct damage now. I'll pay him $1 million. Boom. Now I've unlocked direct damage. So when I say direct damage, now I have fire, ice, and magic to unlock. So let's go ahead and do some of that. And Yeah, so, okay, so we'll bring up the skill tree again, say damage, and now I've got fire rank 1. And these all the ranks go up to rank 12. That's where they'll cap out, that's when they're maxed. So let's just unlock rank 1 of all these ones. Damn it, I keep hitting that button and not meaning to.
That's because you're used to reloading
move
quests.
this over a little bit. Alright. So give him that. We unlock ice. Let's unlock magic. Okay. So now skill tree. Now, because we have all the direct damage and all the healing, we've unlocked the ability to get life taps now. So life tap now shows up in the base categories. So let's do that. Let's unlock life tap. Boom. All right. Now we've unlocked life tap. There we go. We can unlock it, and we'll actually get it this time. Boom. So now we can start ranking up life tap. And so when you buy these different ranks and whatnot, you'll be able to go over to Merryweather, because she'll be the weapon person, right? I think, yeah, weapon ornament master. And you'll be able to talk to her. And do I have a weapon ornament on me?
I don't know.
I do not. I don't see one. Okay, hold on. Let's.
Drag the brain for one?
Yeah, let's find an item. What is it? Hagen? Let's give her Hagen. Okay, so give item 50300. Okay, there's my Hagen ornament. No problem. Summoned from thin air. Come on. As you can see, there's nothing on it. Regular old ornament. So we'll give that to her. And she ate it. Okay, obviously there's a problem with her.
Well, we haven't really tested her yet.
I have not really tested her yet. That is true.
So she might still have the armor ornaments in her.
Oh, maybe I didn't actually drop her new scripting in
That's
before
possible.
this. Well, oh well. I wasn't really going to showcase her anyways. So there's still work yet to be done on her, obviously. But yeah, so that's kind of how the proc store will work. So you'll just hail them and open your skill tree, and boom, as you learn stuff, new stuff will open up, and yeah, pretty cool. It's that simple. You'll be able to train one or buy a level or unlock something every day. Everything costs $1 million or 1 million platinum. So as you can see, how many times I paid him 1 million platinum. It's going to take a little bit. Will the daily reset work like daily quests, or will it be set each time? Is set time each day? Okay, so yeah, it works. So as soon as you pay him the first time or whatever, as soon as you pay him, that starts the timer. So 18 hours after that, you'll be able to pay him again to unlock the next thing. So you got like a 6-hour gap there. Yeah. Alright, so let's start looking at these spells now. Spells. New spells. Wrong thing. I don't want sets. I want actual spells. What is it? It was duration. Life tap that was being the issue, right? Not this one.
AoE.
It was the AoE, yeah.
Yeah, because you did some weird shit.
Of course I did. That's how I roll. Okay, so let's just open all these up. No, I don't want to group them window, thank you. Yeah, got it. Okay. So this is this one. I actually want to grab this, because I need this list for the recourses. Life tap 2. No, I want life tap 1. Okay, so duration life tap is this one. So 29052. 29052. And that's just good enough for now. 29053. Right? Yes. Oh, you know what? We can do this an easier way. Spells. Date. Duration life tap. There we go. Okay, let's hide some columns here. We don't need to see all this crap. We want the ID and the name, and we want the
recourse.
Yeah, it's the recourse. Recourse. Link. That's the one. Perfect.
You can actually just copy the paste them in.
Yeah. It's only a few though, so I don't even care. Whoops. Okay, the recourses are all fixed up. Alright, so, well, I guess we should close all these now. Only want to work on this one. Okay, now the spell that I know does exactly what I want it to is Mind Rack. I want these to function in a similar fashion, so let's just see what those are doing. So this is a single target, which the spell won't be. Man, there you go. Okay, so that makes sense to me. So this will be, it'll change from single target to this targeted AE, point blank AE. No, I think targeted AE will be best for these. Okay, and then we want, wait, what's the recourse number? I want to bring that up too, because I want to change both these at the same time. Right, so this one's already group V1, which is what it needs to be. Okay, so I think this recourse is actually perfect. Another thing I want to make sure I do on these is dot stacking exempt. So only one will take effect, like can MGB. Oh, I didn't even know you could MGB Mind Rack. That's kind of interesting. Doesn't do anything on our server, but on live, that's kind of interesting. Oh. All right. So that actually looks good. What's it doing? HP. Is this? Oh yeah, no, that's right. So it would just take their HP down because it's the first rank by 10, and then would recourse a dot heal for 10 onto you. Yeah. Okay. Onto the group. Perfect. Okay, so now we just gotta. So I didn't change anything on the recourse, so it's just these. Duration life tap. I gotta find dot stacking exempt. Right there. refresh that. Where is it? Oh, did I not save that? There we go. Right, because what's the proc called on
Elemental Maelstrom
oops.
on
Yeah.
the laser sword?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, yes. Did I spell that wrong?
Probably.
This one, yes. Yeah, dot stacking exact. That's what I want. Okay. I just wanted to make sure.
Mm-hmm.
So the mob is only going to be able to be
Should
affected
probably
by
also
ones.
get it to go into the short buff box as well, so that it's
Oh, for the recourse?
yeah, the recourse make it
Then,
go into
yeah.
the short
No,
buff box.
that's a good idea. Yeah, let's do that.
We're already having a problem with buffs, so
Yeah, and you can't MGB those. That would be silly.
yeah.
It's a proc. That doesn't really matter. I can leave that on. Okay, so now it goes into the short buff box. We'll have to bring that up over here. Short buff box. So where's the recourse there? So let's just change all these so they show up in the short buffs. Okay. And then we wanted them to not stack, so let's do that. And it's the same for these ones up here. They don't stack. And these go in the short buff.
You'll want to check the other. Oh no, you've got the recourse separate, so it's all good.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
I assume we should do the same thing for the sympathetics.
Yeah. I don't think you have to because they're sympathetic and then they're doing whatever the spell is. So once it's already set up in the spell, the sympathetic will go off and
You're right.
we're good.
You're right.
Just anything that's buffing the player on these ones. If they go to the short buff box, we don't have issues with...
Not enough buff slots? Yeah.
Yeah.
Good call. Yep. All right. So what was the other thing? It was this one. The target went to targeted AE. So we just gotta find the target here. Where is it? Target. Somewhere in here there is target. Target type. I don't think that's it. Maybe that is it. Let's see. One changed to 8. Yep. There it is. Okay. Boom. Okay, so now those are AoE. Targeted AoEs. Shit, I think that was it. They're all good now. Well, we can start testing them, what, tomorrow after the reboot?
Tomorrow after the reboot, Monday at the latest.
Oh, yeah.
Probably Monday.
Seems likely. Okay, wow, that all went really quick. So let's, I guess, move on to something else. What's next on the list? The Virgilid instancing, destroying. Okay, well, I don't think I'm going to do that on stream. The message spacing and spells. There's a good one. That was cast on you. Cast on others. Yeah, that's the one. Cast on others. Let's shrink this a little bit. So, which spell was it? It was,
Just look for cast on other contains is.
okay. Good call. Oops. yeah. Yeah, and see, there's a space on the majority of them, or just an apostrophe S. But somewhere in this list, there's one that isn't a space.
There's
No? I haven't seen anything yet. Still good. There's one. One down. Oh, there's one. There's another. This one has a double space. Ultra Death Spell 3. What the hell is that?
I don't know.
I gotta look it up because that's insane. What? Ultra Death Spell 3. What do you do? Why give bad data? Because a player shouldn't be reading. What does it do? It gives you 1 HP. Okay, so that is not really an ultra death spell, is it? Okay. That was really weird.
This doesn't mean the real spell changes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alrighty then. Carrying on. How many friggin' pages of this is there? Oh my god, there's 11 pages.
Well, look, you found another one.
Okay, so hold on. Let's refine this search a little to space is and does not contain. Maybe that lowers it. Oh, Jesus. Okay, hold on. Cast on other contains is. Can I filter it that way? Yes. Oh, these ones have spaces and they shouldn't. Man, there's too much. There's still a bajillion pages. Oh, there's only 2. Oh man, look at all these ones.
Yeah,
oh, all these ones. These are the ones we just created.
Yeah.
So they're all like that.
Okay, so you want to...
Oh, these ones. Wow. Oh, there's so many. So many.
That's
Well, that's we need to do this, approach this in a different way. So, open office, you're my friend. Boop. Alright, so, yeah, so everything here, pretty much, I'm just going to take it all. I don't even care. All of it. Give me all of that. Put it here. I don't care. Just do it. Alright. Anywhere we find is... Oh, why did that show up over there? Search for space is no. Regular is. And replace it with space is. Go. Alright. Okay, that's reasonably minor in my opinion. Oh, these should have a space in them anyways. What happened there? Okay. Alright. That's just really crazy. At least it's not as much editing. I'll take a couple minor edits. Uh-oh, that's the wrong button. No inserting, thank you. Oh, did I not? What? Oh, it stole that. No. Come on. Man. I'm gonna make these as... No, that doesn't make any sense. I'll fix those once I paste them back in. Oh, there's one. Asians.
One. I'll give you yours over there.
Ridiculousness. Man, really?
That's 2 bowls. Come get it, Kay.
Sounds like my lunch is ready.
It is. I'll bring it to you, though.
Okay.
It's going to be piping hot anyway.
Ooh, let's just fix all these in one fell swoop.
Just pick it. No, just, honey, just take any spot. Dad's not going to sit at the table with us. I'm taking Dad.
All right.
His lunch. Just take any spot at the table.
It's right there. Here. Paste those in.
Pepper.
Takes a second.
I will move.
Boom, all fixed. Okay, where's that one that was messed up? There they are.
I'll take your tea.
Thank you.
You can eat this.
Yum. Oop. There we go. All better. Okay, so let's sort that again.
Eat your food.
Okay. That all looks good. Looks good. This is messed up here. This is messed up here. Oh, that's ugly. Why would that be a capital? Man. I could spend all day in here. Okay, all of page 2 is better. Do.
warm that thing up, Catherine, so that it would dry out. And you've taken it off the thing where it was drying. And now you're going to have to put it back.
Might be here a while. Oh my goodness. There's a bunch. Where am I at? Oh, I'm getting there. It's pretty easy to spot them when they are messed up. Even with how fast I'm scrolling.
So this is on the Xbox now.
Alright. Oh, there's a bunch.
Which isn't happening. So I was just kind of like, I saw it like it was coming out on the Xbox, so I didn't know that was coming out.
Well, we heard of that.
Oh, there's a bunch more.
Access to is
Well, it's not.
has been moved. I'd like to be able to set up a little table in there for her so that she can have it up and going, but there's too much stuff in the closets.
Are you talking about the all-in-one?
Uh-huh.
Ah.
I need a little table in there that's sturdy enough to put it on.
Mm-hmm.
I do have a box in there that I can flip the other end table top onto to be a stable table. But
yes, they are.
Yeah. I mean, I also still have my passion project, so I could just make a table. I'd just make a table. But guys, I know I have a table, but I don't know what to do with it. I have a table now.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know what I'm gonna do for that.
Well,
I have 2 weeks. And
I'm pretty sure. I mean, like the table that you have on your desk.
Is everyone sufficiently bored yet?
It might be too tall.
What is why?
That's
Why would it say that?
Right. So,
yeah, but I can make a table. I can make like a tiny table.
Come on, really?
it would have to be as big as this end table.
Yeah.
You see that end table there? It would have to be that big. And we'd have to rearrange a few things in there so that it has a safe spot to be sitting. The all-in-one doesn't need that internet plug into it. So.
Is lacking a soul. What? Yeah, that makes sense.
We'll have to take a look in there and see.
Sure.
And yeah, if you
I guess
want to make
only
it
that
easier,
one NPC uses that spell.
table,
Same with Terrace.
you can do that.
So we'll leave those. Okay, look, there we go. All done. Awesome.
Tori and I were actually comparing our playtimes.
Okay, I don't need that anymore. Bye-bye.
We learned to complete a concerning amount of Undertale.
Alright.
Because
Now I gotta eat some food.
130 hours. Probably like.
I'm
And Tori
starving.
was 247.
Yeah.
What else can we do?
We played a concerning amount of Undertale.
I want to say at least 50 hours were dedicated to this.
No, I can try. I still gotta fix these skirmish double points.
Well, no.
We did that. We did that.
Most of the time was spent because I really bad.
And the Virgilid instancing.
It's my first run of the game.
I don't think I'll do
I
that
was
on stream.
playing the game, right? I didn't know what I was doing. So I was just kind of like, I thought it was a grinding game.
I think that's pretty much all I had.
Like,
The rest I gotta kind of take care of.
no, so I thought it was a grinding game at first. So my brain was kind of like,
Doing
dude,
other
let's go
stuff.
kill everything.
So,
So I was actually like, so
What is it,
the
the
first one I
Dreadlands?
thought was a genocide run until I like gave up part where I through the sand slime. I was like, I can't do this right now. You know, do this. Let's do something else.
wow, there's way too many.
And then I looked up about the game and I was like, oh, I can do
I
other
don't
routes.
remember who's
I
a.
can do other things because I knew it was a game with
Game.
endings, but I didn't know how to get endings. I just was like, I think I just stand
Beltar, no.
You were gonna play it. See what happened.
I was just like, yes, genocide run.
All right. Well, that's all I really had for today. So I'm gonna end the stream there. Hopefully, you guys got a good understanding of how the proc store is gonna work. And
You want to
next.
see it again right now? Let me know.
And yeah, next time I'll showcase Merryweather and how she works as soon as I drop it in. Yeah, I think it's really good. I think it's going to be really cool. Oh, I didn't even unlock that one. Yeah, pretty nifty.
Yeah, no, so the same as
Boom. So now I should have
you
rank
just
2,
got
right?
genocide on people.
Yes, I do. Boom.
It's just like,
I'm gonna pretty this up with the equal signs and whatever, so we can. So it's gonna be broken up like it is up here. So you'll see the equal signs again when you press the ranks and whatever. Instead of just coming together like that and being one big fat block, I'll break it up a little bit so it looks nicer. Anyways, we'll be back around tonight for the TACV raid, of course, and hopefully there's a retail so we can stick around for that. And yeah, we'll see you all later. Have a good day.